Have you ever wondered how some YouTube creators manage to churn out high-quality videos consistently without ever appearing on camera? The secret lies in YouTube automation, and more importantly, in building a stellar team to make it happen. Today, we're diving deep into the process of hiring a YouTube automation team, step by step, so you can scale your channel and free up your time. Let's get started. Why do you need a YouTube automation team? Running a successful YouTube channel involves more than just uploading videos. From scripting and editing to thumbnail design and SEO optimization, there are countless tasks that need attention. At first, you might handle everything yourself, but as your channel grows, it becomes impossible to manage all aspects alone. That's where building an automation team comes in. It allows you to delegate tasks, maintain consistency, and focus on strategy and growth. Step number 1. Define the roles you need. Before hiring anyone, you need clarity on the roles required for your channel. Think about the type of content you produce. For example, scriptwriter creates engaging scripts tailored to your niche. Video editor crafts polished videos that captivate viewers. Voiceover artist provides narration for faceless channels. Thumbnail designer designs eye-catching thumbnails to boost clicks. SEO specialist optimizes titles, tags, and descriptions for discoverability. Each role is crucial for maintaining quality and efficiency. Write down these positions along with their responsibilities. Step number 2. Determine your budget. How much are you willing to invest in your team? This decision will shape the caliber of freelancers or full-time employees you can hire. If you're working with a tight budget, platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are excellent for finding affordable talent. However, if quality is your priority, consider hiring experienced professionals who may charge higher rates but deliver exceptional results. Step number 3. Choose your hiring platform. Where should you look for talent? Here are some popular options. Upwork, ideal for finding freelancers with diverse skills. Fiverr, great for one-off tasks or affordable services. Onlinejobs.ph, perfect for hiring dedicated remote workers from the Philippines. LinkedIn, useful for connecting with professionals in specific fields. Each platform has its pros and cons, so choose based on your needs. For long-term roles like video editing or scriptwriting, platforms like Upwork or onlinejobs.ph are often more reliable than Fiverr. Step number 4. Craft a job post. A well-written job post is key to attracting the right candidates. Be clear about the role you're hiring for, the skills required, e.g., proficiency in Adobe Premiere Pro for editors, your expectations, e.g., deadlines, communication style, payment terms, hourly rate or per project basis. For example, looking for an experienced video editor proficient in Adobe Premiere Pro to edit videos for a faceless YouTube channel in the tech niche. Must deliver within 48 hours per video and be comfortable with revisions. Step number 5. Screen candidates effectively. Once applications start pouring in, it's time to filter out the best candidates. Here's how. Review their portfolios to assess the quality of past work. Check reviews or ratings if using freelance platforms. Conduct short interviews to gauge communication skills and professionalism. Ask questions like, can you share examples of similar projects you've worked on? How do you handle tight deadlines? Are you familiar with YouTube guidelines regarding copyright? Step number 6. Test before committing. Never hire someone based solely on their application or interview. Always test their skills first. Assign a small paid task related to their role, e.g., editing a short video or designing a thumbnail. This helps you evaluate their abilities under real-world conditions. For instance, if you're hiring a scriptwriter, Ask them to write a script based on your channel's topic and tone. Step number 7. Set clear expectations. Once you've selected your team members, establish clear guidelines up front. Workflow. Define how tasks will be assigned and tracked, e.g., using tools like Trello or Slack. Deadlines. Set realistic timelines for each task. Payment terms. Ensure everyone understands how and when they'll be paid. Communication. Decide on regular check-ins via email or messaging apps. Transparency from the beginning prevents misunderstandings later. Step number 8. Train your team. Even if you've hired skilled professionals, they still need training specific to your channel's goals and style. Provide resources such as examples of past videos that showcase your preferred format, guidelines on branding elements like fonts and colors, insights into your audience demographics and preferences. The better trained your team is, the more aligned they'll be with your vision. Step number 9. Monitor performance. Hiring doesn't end with onboarding. It's an ongoing process of evaluation and improvement. Regularly review the work produced by your team to ensure it meets expectations. Provide constructive feedback when necessary and reward consistent performance. Tools like Hubstaff can help track productivity if you're working with remote freelancers. Step number 10. Scale gradually. As your channel grows, so will your workload and possibly your team size. Start small by hiring 1 or 2 key roles, e.g., editor and scriptwriter, then expand as needed. Scaling gradually helps you manage costs while ensuring quality remains high. Pro tips for success. Build relationships. Treat freelancers as valued collaborators rather than just contractors. This fosters loyalty and better results. Focus on communication. Clear instructions lead to fewer revisions and faster turnaround times. Stay consistent. Consistency is vital for growth on YouTube. Ensure your team delivers content regularly without compromising quality. Common mistakes to avoid. Hiring too quickly without proper screening. Failing to set clear expectations up front. Overloading freelancers with unrealistic deadlines. Neglecting regular communication or feedback loops. Avoid these pitfalls to build a reliable team that supports your channel's success. And there you have it, the complete blueprint for hiring a YouTube automation team. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale an existing channel, following these steps will set you up for long-term success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.